Hello guys, welcome to key2dl for another interesting video. Now I'm coming out from parking, so this will be exit rule for me. Sorry, this is I have to scan. The car is coming. So okay, now it is for me. It is exit rule. I have to do it quickly here because this is otherwise blocking. Left indicator on and then go, and this is 40 km/h speed limit, and soon I will be joining a highway. It will be 100 km/h speed. So I am planning from here. There will be a bridge. I can have a quick look to the right side to just see how many cars are already in the highway. I can check it from here, right side. There is no car, so I can adapt my speed accordingly. And then here you can see the 100 km/h speed, so I can go accelerate as soon as possible and then put the indicator on. One can use all the acceleration lane here depending on which car is coming or how many cars are coming, so no need to hurry if it is a busy situation. Now it is 100 km/h speed limit. Already joined into the road. Very less traffic at this moment, but now you can see the sign, this one. Very soon there will be a 2-way road. And now I can see the 60 km/h speed limit. That's why I took out my foot from the gas pedal. Okay, so here 60 km/h speed, residential area, still continuing 60 km/h speed. What?
Look at this.
Oh, okay, little bit, yeah. So here go within the speed limit. Never ever exceed the speed limit in your driving test, especially in the driving test in Sweden. Now it is 80 km/h speed limit. This is a country road with 80 km/h speed limit. So there are oncoming vehicles during the night time. It is very hard to judge what is the speed limit of the other car, so don't judge according to the light or according to the, you need to have your experience, little bit experience to drive in this kind of road. So when you are new driver, don't drive in this point in time during the dark time, but in the winter you have to drive, right? So in Sweden it is always you need to some kind of experience, so drive more and more, practice more and more if you want to your driving license. And now very soon I will be joining a big roundabout. Now it is 80 km/h speed limit. You can see a big blue signboard. There are 2 exits. First exit and then second exit will be straight. So 70 km/h. Now I am planning from here. I will take the left lane here to go to the second exit. There is a sharp turn, that's why you can see this blue sign. Now enter, because there was no car in the left hand side, and exit here. Now 60 km/h speed limit, and you can continue in this way. 60 kilometer per hour speed limit, no car following to me. So 60, and then it will be coming 40, and then the completely city road. So in this way, like go to the coming from the high speed road 80, then 60, and then 40. So soon it will be 40 kilometer per hour speed limit and entering into the city. So when you come into the city, you have to be extremely careful about the city driving. So since it is today is a holiday, like less traffic are there, but still there is, like because of summer, you can expect now you can see the 40 speed limit. When there is a two side speed limit sign, then it means that indicates that change of speed limit. Remember in your driving test, never exceed 1 kilometer per hour speed limit. Never ever. That is not allowed. Here it is 40 kilometer per hour speed limit. I am planning to take the third exit. So keep in the right lane. Go to the right lane. Go. Here I indicate right, and then exit smoothly. Now it is a market complex. There is I am taking inner lane to take this roundabout, go straight. So I have to little bit slow, no cars are there, enter, and then indicate exit. I am still taking the inner lane or inside lane, because the right lane is a bus lane or public transport, reserved for public transport, taxi or ambulance or buses. So it is, yeah. So here there is a lot of speed bumps. You can see this sign, and that means it is a warning for the speed bump. So after 30 meters or something, you can expect a speed bumps like here. Here reach 40 kilometer per hour speed limit. No need to hurry. Just put little bit gas and drive smoothly. One important thing is you have to scan all the time in the mirror and the right side of the road, left side of the road, any pedestrian crossing, traffic light. So plan in advance. And when you are going for the appearing for the driving test, remember, don't break any rules. Now you have to stop, don't cross this stop line, and you have to wait for your turn. Whenever you are waiting for your turn, for the red light to become green light to go, that is the best time to think or plan the next where you are going. Are you going straight? You can see, I can see from here there are 4 lanes. Right lanes is going to the right side, 2 lanes going to the centrum, that is in the middle. There are 2 lanes in the middle. Left lane is going to the E4 or 77. So I can plan from here. I can plan and then which lane I have to keep, and that's why I can scan the left side mirror, right side mirror, and also behind me how many cars are there. So I am planning to go straight, and that's why I take this, the lane, the same lane, and green light is on, so I can go directly without increasing the any or accelerating my speed limit. go here straight, still the same traffic rules. Left lane for the bus. I can see there is a taxi coming on the right lane. Now from this junction I have to take there is an ambulance. I can take the left turn, so I turn on the signal, left indicator on, and then there is no oncoming traffic, so I can come smoothly. Now right side parking car, left side also park car, so but no need to worry. And this is where the right hand rule apply. Here there is no other priority sign, and that's why it is right hand rule apply. So scan left side, scan right side, little bit slower, and then move. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please give me a like.
Or subscribe.
Or subscribe, yes.
Or ring the bell.
Or ring the bell, yes.
Or comment or share.
Or comment or share. And put your thoughts. What you want from the next video. All the best. Hey do, and smash your driving test, man. Do whatever you want to do. Bye.